guys, abangan niyo yung video mamaya, right? Right? Yeah. Hinaan. Hinaan mo. Hinaan mo. So, abangan niyo guys yung next video ng house tour. Nakalagay naman na yun sa kaka-upload lang natin guys. Kaka-upload lang natin. Right? So, abangan niyo guys, mag-house tour kami dito sa bahay na it is like that. You want to house tour this house? Oh, she's watching on the laptop. And we're vlogging on the iPad.
Lenovo, and this is Dell.
Okay, abangan nyo guys yung next video ha. Sana madaming views.
What?
Abangan nyo guys. Say to them. Abangan nyo po ang video mamaya. Abangan. Say it. Abangan nyo po ang video mamaya.
What?
Say it. Abangan nyo po ang next video. Okay. Abangan nyo daw po ang next video. Because she's not understanding. Oh God.
Oh my Coco.
Pulot is biting Coco. So, abangan nyo guys yung next video ha.
If you don't know who Coco and Pulot is, it's our dogs there. We have 2 more dogs.
Abangan nyo guys yung video ha. Pag nag-ano lang to. Ilang percent? Mga 30. Pag nag-30%. Bilisan nyo na. Abangan nyo ha. Pag di nyo inabangan.
Stop aggressively shaking my iPad.
It's okay.